Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. On today's menu, guys, we are going to be making shrimp cocktail with homemade cocktail sauce. This recipe, guys, is a perfect appetizer to share at holiday gatherings or parties with your friends and your family. So guys, let's get cooking. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, we're gonna make homemade cocktail sauce. Here in my bowl, guys, I have about half a cup of ketchup. Then we're gonna go ahead and add horseradish. We're gonna also go in Worcestershire sauce, minced garlic, and lemon juice. Then we're gonna give it a good mix and let it chill in the refrigerator until ready to use. With this recipe, I'll be using black tiger shrimp. You can use jumbo shrimp, guys. The shrimp is pre-deveined. I don't have to devein it. So to start, guys, we're gonna bring water to a boil, add salt and peppercorns. Then we're gonna let the peppercorns boil for 1 minute. Add the shrimp. Add lemon juice and half lemon. Then we're gonna cook for 2 to 3 minutes until shrimp turns pink. Transfer the shrimp to an ice bath to stop the cooking process. We're gonna allow it to chill for 5 to 8 minutes. Then we're gonna go ahead and peel the shrimp, leaving tails intact. There are 2 ways, guys, you can serve this shrimp cocktail. The first one is to arrange the cooked shrimp on beds of ice and serve cocktail sauce on the side. If you like this video so far, guys, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell twice, guys, so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So this is my favorite way of serving shrimp cocktail, because you serve individually. What you do, you add about 1 to 2 inches of the cocktail sauce to a glass, then loop about 5 cocktail shrimp around the rim of the glass, add lemon wedge with a sprig of celery, and you are good to go. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. This easy appetizer always disappears fast, guys. You are warned. I can't wait to dig in, guys. Tender, flavorful, delicious. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.